During an official visit on July 8, 2026, representatives from the Philippine Embassy visited PZL Mielec, the Polish aviation manufacturer responsible for producing the world-renowned S-70i Black Hawk helicopters. What they saw was the next batch of aircraft destined for the Philippine Air Force, already progressing through production. But perhaps even more importantly, both sides discussed future cooperation in aerospace manufacturing and human resource development, opening the door to a long-term partnership that could eventually strengthen the Philippines' own aviation industry. For years, the S-70i Black Hawk has become one of the cornerstones of Philippine military modernization. Originally acquired to replace aging utility helicopters, the aircraft quickly demonstrated its value across virtually every mission imaginable. From combat troop transport and humanitarian assistance to disaster response, search and rescue, casualty evacuation, and logistics support, the Black Hawk has proven itself as one of the most versatile aircraft in the Philippine Air Force inventory.
The July 8th visit by officials from the Philippine Embassy was more than a ceremonial inspection. Inside the PZL Mielec production facility, the delegation was able to closely observe the latest batch of S-70i Black Hawk helicopters currently being prepared for delivery to the Philippine Air Force. These aircraft represent another important milestone in the AFP modernization program, further expanding the country's airlift capabilities.
Every additional helicopter delivered significantly improves the Philippine Air Force's ability to rapidly deploy troops anywhere across the archipelago. Whether responding to territorial contingencies, conducting counter-terrorism operations, or providing immediate humanitarian assistance following typhoons and earthquakes, these aircraft dramatically reduce response times while increasing operational flexibility.
However, perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the visit was not the helicopters themselves. According to information released after the meeting, discussions also covered the possibility of future cooperation involving co-manufacturing in the Philippines, alongside initiatives focused on human resource development within the aerospace sector. This represents a completely different level of defense partnership. Instead of simply purchasing finished aircraft overseas, the Philippines could gradually participate in selected manufacturing activities, maintenance support, workforce training, or aerospace component production. While no formal agreement has yet been announced, even preliminary discussions indicate that both countries are exploring ways to expand cooperation beyond traditional defense procurement.
For decades, one of the long-term goals of Philippine defense modernization has been the development of an indigenous defense industrial base. Every country that successfully built a modern defense industry started somewhere. South Korea began decades ago by assembling licensed aircraft before eventually producing advanced fighter jets like the KF-21 Borame. Turkey steadily expanded from maintenance facilities into manufacturing drones, helicopters, armored vehicles, and missile systems. Even Poland transformed its aviation sector into one capable of producing helicopters for international customers. The Philippines has repeatedly emphasized the importance of Self-Reliant Defense Posture, or SRDP, as a national objective. Developing local aerospace expertise fits perfectly within that strategy.
Defense partnerships today increasingly involve technology, industrial collaboration, education, and workforce development, not simply weapons sales. Countries seek relationships that create mutual benefits, allowing industries to grow together while strengthening long-term security cooperation. For the Philippines, this approach complements ongoing modernization efforts involving multiple international partners across Europe, Asia, and North America. Rather than relying on a single supplier, the country continues building diversified defense relationships while gradually expanding domestic capabilities. If discussions surrounding co-manufacturing eventually evolve into concrete projects, future generations of Filipino aerospace engineers could play a direct role in supporting aircraft operated by the Philippine Air Force.
As another batch of brand-new S-70i Black Hawk helicopters moves closer to delivery, the Philippine Air Force continues building one of Southeast Asia's most capable utility helicopter fleets. But beyond the aircraft themselves, the broader significance of this visit lies in the opportunities being explored: technology transfer, industrial cooperation, and the development of Filipino aerospace talent.
Modern defense is no longer measured solely by the number of platforms a nation acquires. It is increasingly defined by its ability to sustain, maintain, improve, and eventually help build those platforms itself. If these discussions continue to progress, today's factory visit in Poland could eventually become tomorrow's aerospace success story in the Philippines. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine defense and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.